Hi friends, I'm Dr. Pratap Singh Rathod. I have done an MD in Forensic Medicine, and today we'll start with medical legal aspects of wounds. In that, we'll discuss today with small introduction to the homicide. Before going to homicide, first we'll define injury. Injury, by legal definition, it is defined under Section 44 IPC. It is defined as any harm, whatever illegally caused to any person in body, mind, reputation, or property. So, injury in legal definition, it has to be caused illegally, and it doesn't only include only bodily injuries. It also includes mind injuries or injury to a person's reputation or property. So property here may not only includes monetary property, it may also include anything which the person thinks valuable. So any damage to anything valuable to that person's property will also cause some form of injury to the person. So that all comes under definition of Section 44 IPC. Now coming to definition of homicide. Homicide is a killing of a human being as a result of conduct of the other. So one person killing another person is considered as a homicide. It can be lawful or unlawful, and it is sometimes punishable under circumstances like culpable homicide, or it may not be punishable in certain circumstances like in cases of excusable or justifiable homicides. So based on that types of homicides, it can be lawful. In this, the homicides usually not punishable. They can be justifiable or excusable. So these terms are usually not used in India. Unlawful homicide, which includes culpable homicide, which may amount to murder, that comes under 299 IPC, or not amounting to murder, which comes under 304 IPC. Then murder, unlawful homicide, that comes under section 300 IPC. Then rash and negligent homicide comes under 304A IPC. So we'll discuss unlawful homicide in a separate video. Today we'll discuss about lawful homicide. So lawful, first is justifiable homicide. So these are the homicide which is justified in circumstances which led to killing of a person. This may occur when like homicide done under order of the court, like the person who is doing a judicial hanging, that is also from homicide. So that is comes under section 78 IPC. He is not punishable as he is upholding the justice. Then during maintenance of justice, like suppressing riots or executing arrest, while arresting the person, sometimes the person may die because of that. That also comes under justifiable. Homicide due to the accident or misfortune, like firing into the bush thinking that there is some rabbit and accidentally shooting a human, that comes to section 80 IPC, or homicide during a private defense of a body or property. So person when trying to defend his own body or defending his property, like his family members, that also comes under section in justifiable. Can also be. It also includes when the person is defending to prevent death or case of rape, which comes section 100 IPC, or he is defending his property, which comes section 103 IPC, like in robbery. Next is excusable homicide. This is a homicide caused unintentionally by an act done in good faith. So here the homicide is done is unintentional. So person doesn't have an intent to do any kill a person, but it has happened. So like killing in self-defense when attacked, provided there is no other means of defense. So when person is attacked by someone, when he tried to defending himself, while defending the person dies, then it comes under the excusable homicide. Causing death by accident or misadventure, death following a lawful operation. So when person doctor doing a operation theaters when they do surgery, sometimes because of some risk factors the person may die. That also comes under excusable homicide. Homicide done by a person of unsound mind or a mentally ill person, that comes to section 84 IPC. Then homicide by a child below 7 years of age, unsound mind and mentally ill and child all are considered as doesn't know what they are doing. So this law consider them to be doesn't understand what they are capable of doing that, or what they are doing is they knowingly do it. So because of that they are not punishable or excusable. So homicide done by them is excusable. The homicide done during a private defense of a body or property also comes under excusable homicide. These are my references. Thank you.